Hi everyone, this is John from Zoom, and I'm here to introduce you to the G5N pedal. When we designed the G5N, our goal was to create the finest collection of guitar effects and amp emulators ever offered in one innovative package. In this video, we will go over the ins and outs and basic operation of the Zoom G5N. The G5N has mono quarter-inch input and stereo quarter-inch outputs. It has an additional 1/8" headphone output. The aux input can be used to play along with recorded music. This audio will not be affected by the G5N. You can connect the Zoom FP02M expression pedal with a TRS cable to the control in. The USB jack can be used to connect your computer as an audio interface and to save or load new patches to Zoom Guitar Lab software. The DC in powers the G5N with the Zoom AD16 9V power adapter. The tap tempo function is used to set the time or rate of certain effects using your foot. Pressing the tuner foot switch once will activate the tuner. Tuner settings can be found in the menu. There are two modes on the G5N, memory mode and stomp mode. When using memory mode, you can switch between different patches. A patch contains a chain of effects. Within a patch, effects can be turned on and off. The G5N comes loaded with preset patches, and users can create their own custom patches as well. There are also additional patches available for download from our website. When using stomp mode, you can turn on and off individual effects in patches. Press the memory/stomp button to toggle between modes. When using memory mode, the scroll buttons will switch between banks of patches that will appear on the G5N displays. This will change which effects are available via foot switch. When using stomp mode, the scroll buttons will change which individual effects are available via foot switch. Use the menu button to access general settings and the control knob to navigate through options. Press the control knob to make a selection. Options here include adding or deleting effects, rearranging the patch chain, or renaming and storing the patch. To add effects to your patch, press the menu button and use the control knob to select Add. If 9 effects are already in use, then Add will not be available. Press the control knob to enter the Add screen and choose where in the chain the effect will be added. Then use the Type up and down buttons to choose the effect type. Most effects will be assigned to the foot switches, while pedal effects will be assigned to the foot pedal. If you have more than one pedal effect selected, you can assign the second one to an external pedal. Go into the Setup menu and turn the external pedal on. You will now see an EXT on your second pedal effect. To reorder your effects chain, press Menu. Use the control knob, go to Chain, and select it. Turn the control knob to highlight the effect you wish to move, and press the control knob to select it. To exit the Add Effect screen, use the control knob to scroll to exit and select. This will take you back to the home screen. To remove an effect from your patch, go to Menu, then select Delete. To edit the name of a patch, go to Menu, then select Patch. Scroll and select to change letters and rename the patch. To save the patch, go to Menu, then select Save. You can either overwrite the current patch, overwrite another existing patch, or save to an empty patch slot. To adjust effect parameters on the G5N, use the knobs below the display for each foot switch. Each category of effects will have different adjustable parameters. For more information and product updates, please go to zoom-na.com.